What is so special about the ADB-Key 62.82 cable management system called Small EMS? Even the meaning of the model number shows the innovation of this small CMS. German ADB-K is the abbreviation for Swing in Ground Channel, and therein you will find the unique and patent-pending process. Contrary to the common process to inserting a cable into a cable tray and close it with a separate cover, the laid-out cable is swinged in directly in the compact designed cable management system made of fiber reinforced plastic. What is the advantage of this process? With this operation, the cable installation and the lidding of the small CMS are implemented at the same time. Cables no longer have to be pulled in or blown in. There is also no need to install a cover. That means that fewer components are required. More importantly, a high speed of installation is achieved. No rail-bound adds such as two-way excavators or lifting equipment are required. For minimally invasive installation, all that is needed is a cordless impact wrench for screwing in the screw and a cordless cutter for any necessary cuts. This not only increases the laying speed, but also avoids unwanted blocking times of the tracks. So let's summarize all the points again. It is a very advanced installation methods. For example, fiber optic cables, especially for use in the railroad environment. With these significant advantages, the ADB-K will be for sure a success in the future.